Balachadi, a land gently placed on the lap of golden sands of Gulf of Kutch with high mythological and historical importance, is the place where the second Sainik school of the country was established in the year 1961. Sainik School of Gujarat found its natural destination at Jamnagar, the jewel of Saurashtra, which is blessed with unspoiled islands, beaches, hills, temples, fantastic bird sanctuary with a vast variety of animals, the one and only fascinating Marine National Park of India. It's holding the country's lush mangrove belt with richest coral reefs. Balachadi was the summer resort of the erstwhile rulers of Jamnagar. The proud threshold of regimental public school education widely opened up for common man on 8 July 1961, temporarily at Jamnagar and later on shifted to its original location at Balachadi, and had humble and unique beginnings from the hands of the then Prime Minister of India, Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri. The captivating gate of the school had been replaced over time with the modern ones with more details. The sky wall of Balachadi is broken into symmetry by the huge infrastructure created for the wholesome aim of preparing children for the prestigious National Defence Academy. Therefore, Sainik schools are generally called as a feeder to NDA or nursery of NDA. Yes, it's the true gateway for military leadership. Balachadi is having the proud legacy of being a home away from home, much before the inception of Sainik school. It was the shelter home for 700 Polish children and women who were escaped from the atrocities of World War II for 6 years. The highly grateful Polish government installed an emotion-blended plaque as a mark of gratitude. Academic activities are the magnum opus of an educational institution. Sainik School Balachadi has always been blessed with highly qualified team of teachers and state-of-the-art facilities for imparting teaching-learning activities. Highly equipped science labs, multimedia lab, artificial intelligence lab, language lab, maths lab, motivational gallery and smart classrooms are some of them. Arjun MiG-21 Garden and Vijayant Tank Chalk are two major installations for cadets' motivation. These decommissioned aircraft and tank play a major role in eliciting dreams among our cadets to join the armed forces. The Martyr Major Rishikesh Ramani Memorial Indoor Sports Complex is an asset for our students. It consists of gymnasium, indoor basketball court, indoor badminton court, boxing ring, etc. Parade ground is considered as the temple of regimental school. We are proud to have such a majestic parade ground and fort wall for all sort of NCC activities. It is the center of flag hoisting and flag unfurling on the occasions of Independence Day and Republic Day, and also the colorful ceremonial parade takes place here. The development of physical stamina is one of the most important objectives of Sainik School routine. World-class sporting facilities are highly essential to achieve it. Our school is having the state-of-the-art volleyball and basketball facilities. It's an owner's pride and neighbor's envy. We have a 400-meter well-developed athletic track which is soon going to be synthetic one. This is the venue for all the athletic track and field events and have an extensive viewers gallery. Ours is one of the rare schools with separate football and hockey grounds. Our students are staying in 9 different hostel blocks which are known as houses. There are 6 senior houses, 2 junior houses and 1 house exclusively for girl cadets. The living in facilities are capable enough to cultivate the sense of belonging, camaraderie and containment in life. We have a highly modernized cadets mess with automation. It consists of 2 well-equipped and spacious dining halls, sophisticated wash pantries, well-equipped cold storage, vegetable room, bakery, cafeteria, mechanized vegetable chopping, chapati makers and dishwasher system with rooftop solar panels for hot water. We have an indigenous 24/7 RO plant for drinking water facility of cadets. Equestrian dreams are the integral part of Sainik School Cadet. It is the beginning of the long association. Sainik School Balachadi is fortunate to have a highly developed equestrian facility. Cadets are trained under qualified instructors throughout the year on a routine. In the series of adventure exposures, our school is proudly having the artificial wall climbing facility installed in the campus. It's one of the rarest facility in any Sainik school. The school, in its long journey of more than 60 years, produced number of officers in the armed forces apart from civil dignitaries. We also produced some proud patriots who sacrificed their life for the motherland. The highly grateful school has erected the Shauryastham, mark of valor and sacrifice. It's the center of tribute and homage which reinforce the sense of patriotism in our cadets. This 200 plus acre land is not an ordinary one. Its destiny is to emerge as the finest leadership laboratory in the country, a gateway to NDA. The cool breeze and golden sands of the sea embraced this prestigious institution and led its way towards the ultimate goal, Yogaha Karmasu Kaushalam, in pursuit of excellence.